Yeah, hi, morning, Mark. I just thought I might do this, might be a little bit quicker. So, basically, we've got 3 points. We've got point A, which is the highest point near the entry door. Point B, which is where the lads have cut to, which is the 450 below joist at the moment, and point C, which is obviously our connection point. So from point A to point B is 30 meters. Point B to C is 17. So obviously 300 mil fall, 170 mil fall. So what we're thinking was if we run the line from point A to point B, and I'll show you on this. So basically, so invert level point C down at the bottom, 13.815. So point B, which going back to it, is that point there. Point B would be at 14.761. So that's where we'd basically start angling it the towards the invert level. So we'll start shooting it off towards the invert level underneath the veranda decking. So that's where that's sitting. Okay. From that point to the next point, which is the 30 meters, which is 300 mil, you'd be sitting at 15.061. So point A, being the entry door-ish, will be sitting at 15.061, which is 229 invert level below this paved area. So looking at it in section, so that's where the invert level of the pipe is. That's the end of, so that's point B. The red is the Nova coil. We'd be trenching 945 at the connection point over to nothing, basically. So that's what we'd have to trench. So the idea is that the less you trench underneath the veranda floor, the higher it's going to push these two levels up. So this is what I'm suggesting we run with. It does mean that, yes, the Nova coil is nowhere near the footing. So that's something to consider. The only other option, like we said before, is to run it 1 to 100 all the way down, sitting at the bottom of the footing, and then trench across the front of the property and then into C. But obviously that's quite a big cost to do that versus trying to do it underneath the subfloor and out of the way, underneath the deck where there won't be a lot of services. Let me know what you think. I'll send you both these files. Cheers.